Today, you will be logging into ConnectED to play Top It Dominoes 0 to 18. Remember that you will need to log into your ClassLink account on your iPad. Once you are in your ClassLink, you're going to look for the McGraw-Hill Education app. When you find the McGraw-Hill Education app, you will go ahead and click on that to enter into ConnectED. Once you launch your journal, you will search for the games found where the game spinner is. Tap on that game spinner and all of your first grade games will appear. Today our game will be found in Top It. Now you can play this game as a single player game, or you can play this game as a multiplayer game. Totally up to you. You can either challenge the computer or challenge somebody nearby. You will find Top It right at the very first choice, and when you tap on that, you're going to have a lot of different Top It games. The Top It game you're going to want to look for is the one with the domino. Top It Dominoes 0 to 18. When you tap on that and hit start, select your colors, and the directions will begin.
Okay, let's play Top It. Player 1, it's your turn. Click the tree to get some coconuts. Enter the total number of dots on your domino.
So now I have to count how many dots there are on my domino in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, that's correct. Now, it's the computer's turn. Now, click the button that points to the larger value. Or click the tie button if the values are the same.
We have 10 dots and 14 dots. The dots that are greater would be the 14, so I'm going to tap on the arrow that is pointing to the 14.
Great! You got it! This player gets points for having the larger value.
Alright, go ahead, log into your ClassLink, log into the McGraw-Hill app of education, where you can access ConnectED, and then play the game Top It Dominoes 0 to 18.